Okay, I'm fixing to replace my PCV valve on my 2020 Ford F-150. I've got 2.7 liter EcoBoost turbo. I'm at 103,000 miles and I'm overdue on PCV valve replacement. So this is the part number that I got from the local dealership. I went onto Amazon and I went onto other sites and I didn't feel comfortable with the alternatives, so I said let me just stay with the factory OEM one. So you guys can see part number KR3 Zulu 6 Alpha 666 TAC A as in Alpha. Okay, so let's now it's on the left side of the engine. It's the PCV valve is right here, this little brown thingamajiggy here. See this, the brown thingamajiggy, that's the PCV valve going into the engine crankcase. So okay, so let me get over here, and moments early I tried to take it off. There's orange tabs that are in here, kind of similar to these over here. Those are blue, these were orange, and they were it's a 2020, so we're pushing 6 years old, and they broke off, so expect that to happen. Also, what I did was you see these wiring bundles over here. They had these wiring bundle hold things over here. So what I did to give me a little bit more room, I pulled this out, and gave me a little bit more wiggle room. One's over here too. See this one right here? So you want to pull that one out, and then I'm going to try and do a wrench to, let me try and do this. There it is right there. Okay, it's set to the side. That's the PCV valve. And what you're going to do, you're going to turn it clockwise. Okay, so let's, sometimes it gets stuck. Oh, that was easy. Hold on. Let's go over here. And there's the old one. A little crusty in the inside. All right, so we're going to get the factory one, open it up, and I'm going to insert it in there. See this little tab right over here? You want to put it that direction. And then twist it until she seats herself clockwise. Be gentle, gentlemen and ladies. Be gentle, don't torque it down. Yes, I know I'm using pliers. Okay, that's it. PCV valve is replaced. Come back over here. My locking tab is missing right there. I'll take care of that with some zip ties. Ready? That is now replaced on the 2020 Ford F-150 2.7 liter EcoBoost. Okay, I hope this helps somebody out there.